Hi everybody, welcome back to the How to Study Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to change the Bixby's language in your Samsung Smart Monitor. At first, scroll to the left where all your options are and now scroll to the settings. Click on settings now and scroll down to the advanced features. Scroll to voice, open voice, and here scroll to Bixby settings. Now, in the second section here, which is called Language and Voice Style, the first option is Bixby Language. We can click that and change our language to Polish, English from United Kingdom, United States, India, some Korean or Chinese, Deutsch, Spanish, German is actually not Deutsch, Spanish, French, Italian, and Portuguese. These are already available languages at the moment. And that's how it works. Goodbye!